Yo, what's going on with gang? This is the new video, and on this we're gonna be looking into Gbpjpy. Alright, British pound versus the Japanese yen. Alright, and as you know guys, what we do, we always head to the higher time frame. Alright, so that we can have an overview of how the market is being acting out. Alright, and the Gbpjpy has been having a little bit of a struggle break into the upside. Like, it's been struggling like for real. All right, and as you look at it from the wicked spectrum, like, you kind of get convinced that it might just break to the upside. All right, but when you go to the daily time frame, it's kind of giving me the vibes that we're gonna be having a decline. Like, I'm convinced that we are declining for this coming week, because this move, I've been trading it for like years now. Like, this is in one of my strategies. Like, we're gonna be declining. Let's go to 4 hour actually to show you the actual move I'm talking about. All right, see this structure. All right, so let's put our horizontal right here, and then put another level here, and then we're gonna put another one right here. So this is the move gonna be trading. All right, it's, you can take it as a double top or whatever you want to take it, but I usually analyze it as an M. All right, like, I usually trade this move as an M, and yeah, I get it here. All right, why? Because I take it as an M with a W inside of it. Because if we look inside this, there's another M structure inside, you see. So what happens is that this M structure forms a W outside of it. All right, so you see we have a W outside. All right, so if it drops, it completes the whole structure. Like, see the whole, like, it might seem complex, but it isn't. All right, so a W has gotta have an M inside of it, and an M has gotta have a W inside of it. That's like the whole strategy how I trade it. All right, but like, I don't want to lie to y'all, we're gonna be having that decline. Like, this part, we're gonna be having it on this side. Simple mathematics. Like, simple mathematics. Like, it's gonna drop like this, no cap, no nothing. Like, it's just gonna have this major decline. All right, this one, like, I'm certain from where it is gonna drop, man. Like, I am so certain. All right, but you know, the market is the market. But all right, at least if it fails, give us something, man. At least somewhere from here. Even if, like, I don't know, man, with even 0.01 outside, you're gonna make, yeah, a few bucks. All right, you're gonna make something. That, honestly, for a few trades, you're gonna make something, man. Even if it just ends here, but it has to reach this level to make the structure valid. Maybe from here, it will like lie to a few, and then continue lie to them, and then eventually drop. All right, but what I know, this structure is only valid if the market is gonna break up until here, because this structure has to consume itself. All right, how I trade it is that this structure has to consume itself over 100%. All right, so from here it's about 100%. Going below it, it's over 100%. Even if it stops from here, it is eating itself over 100%. All right, so that's how we trade it, man. Like, I don't want to lie, I'm expecting a decline. It does not make sense for the market to go bullish, unless if it's like, let's put a rectangle here, unless if it's gonna fail somewhere here. Like, yeah, that's the only, like, logic, man. Like, fail here, and then maybe, yeah, and then, yeah, eventually go bullish, which is not likely to happen. Like, all right, so I'm telling you, man, like, immediately when the market opens, maybe it will play out on this check, maybe, maybe we'll go bullish a little bit as it opens, but overall what I know for sure is that the market's gonna drop up until there around 166 yens. It's gonna drop up until there. All right, that's what I think the British pound is gonna drop to, 166 yens. All right, so I don't know, man. Like, I don't know about what y'all think, if you've seen this strategy before or you've used it, but this is what I think the market is gonna be doing. The market, it has no other way, man. It has to drop. This is the only like reasonable direction, like only direction that makes sense for the market. All right, British pound versus the Japanese yen has to drop up to that level. All right, if you have any questions, guys, the comments section is open. And if you learn anything from this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. We'd like to have you. And peace.